Today, I'm going to make 3 5-minute meals using foods that I have here in the house. You can substitute the foods that you have. Just make sure you follow the basic formula of about 80% vegetables or fruit, produce, can be fresh, frozen, or canned. Doesn't matter. I'm using beans that I have that I made that were in my fridge. You can use canned beans. I'm using squash that I cooked up earlier in the week. You can use some other vegetable. This is the way I eat. And this is the way I've reached my 70s disease-free. Watch and learn. Let's go. So I've got some chicken, I've got some Pargo Rojo, a red snapper, and I've got some tuna that I caught on a fishing trip with my friend Brian. So let's say for the chicken, I'm going to have some squash. I'm also going to have some, with the chicken, I'm going to have some platano, which is plantain. I've cooked that plantain up on this double-sided grill. I'm going to have beans. I have beans with a lot of meals. It's a staple of almost every healthy diet in the world. We'll have some broccoli with the chicken. So we're going to take that, and take that, take a few florets of broccoli. Let's have a little bit of pineapple with this too. You know, when you cook pineapple, whether on this grill or in the microwave, it gets sweeter than it is when it's raw. Very tasty. All right, so there's one plate. We're going to put that in the microwave. Put it on 2 minutes. We're going to fix up the second plate, which would be, let's do this one with Chinese cabbage. Let's do it with plantain again and beans. In this one, we'll do some avocado and tomato. We'll have a little lettuce with that too. So that can come over here. For the tuna, I think I'll just make a salad. And I've got some lettuce that we put in the salad spinner. I've got some celery from my nascent garden. I'm not really a very good gardener, but there's certain things I can just put out there in pots, and because it's sun every morning here and rain every afternoon in the rainy season, things just grow. Luckily for me, I'm going to have some cucumber with this salad and some avocado. Oh, isn't that a beautiful avocado? Do our second plate. 2 minutes. Probably doesn't need quite that much, but it'll be okay. Avocado. Just scoop some out here. Okay, and some cucumber. If you don't have one, you need to get yourself peeler for the kitchen. Just makes a number of foods so much easier to prepare. Cucumber and tomato. Beautiful big tomato. And the tomatoes here taste like tomatoes. Wonderful flavors. All right, so a nice big salad. And now we can do our proteins. I'm just going to bring out the fish. Don't wash your fish with fresh water. Don't wash your chicken in the sink. It'll just spread the germs. Let's just dry these off from the top. I will wash my hands thoroughly after putting these on the cooker. We're going to, I found this is the best way to cook these on this grill, is to just put the oil on what I'm cooking. I'm not going to worry about any germs from the chicken getting on the fish because we're getting ready to put them on a very hot grill. Okay, that second dish is cooked up. This tuna was all right. I cooked this up lightly the other day, so I'm going to put this on last. This is a balsamic vinaigrette, and it had less sugar in it than anything else I could find on the shelf at the grocery store. Okay, so there's that. Let's go ahead and get these guys on, and we're going to put on the chicken. I'm going to put on the fish. The fish is going to cook a lot. Well, it's a very thin piece of chicken. It might cook about the same. The tuna, you know, for me, tuna needs to be almost raw in the middle, seared to the outside, almost raw in the middle. And that's one reason why this double-sided grill works so good for fish, and especially for something like tuna. I probably mentioned I'm not that wild about this particular grill. It doesn't have an on-off switch, and it doesn't have adjustable heat temps on it, so I may get another one when I get the chance. Now we can bring out our plates that we've pre-prepped, which is the way I do it if I'm just doing the one meal to eat. I get my veggies in, put them in the microwave, nuke them, then I put the protein on the grill or in a pan and cook that, and as soon as that's ready, the rest of the meal is ready as well. Okay, the meals, check. All right, give it one more minute. I think both of those will be ready that quickly. And at this point, I can go ahead and also put on the tuna. So when I come home from the grocery store, the farmer's market, I'll take my pineapple, cut it up, put it away in a container in the fridge. I do the same for, and we didn't even get to our spinach, but I'll do the same for my spinach. Clean it, put it in a bag, press out the air. And then because the spinach is so fresh, that will last more than a week. Okay. And I'd say the fish is ready. We were going to do the fish with this dish. I'll have to take a quick look at the chicken, make sure that that's cooked through. And I think it is. And it is. So there's the chicken dish, the one fish dish. Just heat up that tuna a smidgen more. I don't want to cook it too much. All right. And there you have 3 excellent, healthy, quick meals ready to go. I think I would probably have some tomato with that. Just add a little additional color to it. And there we go, our third meal. I hope that helps. What I'm really trying to show you is not necessarily specific, because these meals change with what I have in the fridge, what I bought at the grocery store or what I bought at the farmer's market and bring home, keep in the fridge. And, you know, I keep the fish, I buy the fish, I cut it into individual servings. I put that in Ziploc bags, put them in the freezer. When I'm ready to eat, pull them out, just put them in a bowl of water while I, come home, put them in a bowl of water, go about doing my other things. Within 20, 30 minutes, that or the chicken is thawed out and ready to cook. And the veggies and fruits and various things are already in the fridge. Pull them out and put them on the plate. Microwave oven, This double-sided grill, the Instant Pot, a good nonstick pan, these are really the only tools you need to do these fast, easy, and healthy meals. So I hope that helps. Have a great day. Pura vida from Costa Rica. If you like this video and others from 105-Minute Meals, please subscribe. Hit the like button and hit the bell button so that you get notifications when we come out with new videos. Pura vida from Costa Rica.